So we have here another simple problem on our topic age problem. So problem number 5. Dale is Snow's father. Dale is 35 years old. 3 years ago, Dale was 4 times as old as his son was then. How old is Snow now? So as usual, we have to draw a table. So in this problem, suitable table size is 3 by 3. Okay, so drawing a 3 by 3 table. So this is our 3 columns. Then let's divide this by 3 rows. So it says that Dale is Snow's father. Dale is 35 years old 3 years ago. So we can say, we can write here their ages 3 years ago, or simply 3 years ago. So you write this 3 years ago. So 3 years ago, Dale was 4 times as old as his son was then. So how old is Snow now? Okay, so we have to find out Snow's age now. So let's write down the person mentioned in this problem. So we have Dale and we have Snow. Then let X, so we let X be Snow's age now. Okay, let X be Snow's age now. So now we let X be the age of Snow. So now it says that Dale is Snow's father. Dale is 30 years old. Is means this is here indicates present time, meaning now. So Snow's father's age now is 35 years. Okay, then 3 years ago, so 3 years ago, Snow's age was X minus 3. So this is Snow's age 3 years ago. Minus 3, the word ago here. Okay, so the word ago means minus. So 3 years ago, what's the age of Dale? So now Dale is 35 years old. Okay, then 3 years ago, so minus 3. So his age now is 32. Okay? So next we have to formulate an equation out of this statement. So we have a statement here. 3 years ago, Dale. Okay, so okay, I will write this. 3 years ago. 3 years ago, Dale was 4 times as old as his son. Okay, so from this statement, we can formulate an equation. So 3 years ago, what was the age of Dale? So Dale 3 years ago. Okay, so Dale's 3 years ago, his age was 32. Okay, 3 years ago, Dale's age was 32. So the was here, you can, or we can convert this to equals. So that's the same as is, was, where, will be, are. So that is translated into equals. It says 4 times. So 4 times as old as his son was then. No? as old as his son was then. So, was then. Okay, it means 3 years ago. So, 3 years ago, what was his son's age? His son's age 3 years ago was x minus 3. So, x minus 3. So, this is the equation that we have formulated. Okay, so this is for this part. So 32, I will write it here. 32 equals, from the distributive property of multiplication, so we have 4 times x, 4x, 4 times negative 3 is minus 12. Or, this is just the same as 4x minus 12 equal to 32. So they are just the same. I usually put the unknown or the variable on the left side, so that's why I exchange their position. So to solve for the variable x, so we can eliminate this negative 12 by adding 12 on both sides. So bring this down for x. Then minus 12, then we have positive 12, that cancels out, equal to 0. So equal to 32 plus 12 is 44. Now we can solve for x by dividing both sides by 4. So dividing both sides by 4, so we have here at the left side a 4 at the numerator, cancels with a 4 at the denominator, leaving x only on the left side. Then 44 divided by 4 is equal to 11. Okay, so let's check, no? Let's check if this answer is correct. So to check, we can substitute this value to our equation, or we can test it here. So there's a statement that 3 years ago, so 3 years ago, Dale was 4 times as old as his son. So let us see if that's true, no? This value gives or satisfies this condition. So 3 years ago. So 3 years ago, Dale was 32 years old, right? So 3 years ago, Dale was 32 years old. It says that Dale was 4 times as old as his son. So was means equals 4 times. So 4 times as old as his son was. Okay, so we have 4 times. His son was x minus 3 years ago. So x minus 3. So let us check if they're the same. So 32, is it equal to 4 times? X is 11 minus 3. So are they equal? So 32, is it equal to, what is 4 times 11 minus 3? 11 minus 3 is 8. So 32 equal to 32. So yes, both sides of the equations or of the equation are equal. So therefore, we can say that our answer, x equal to 11. So this is Snow's age now. So we can answer the question, how old is Snow now? So therefore, Snow is 11 years old now. So this is our final answer. So I hope you have followed our discussion, our explanations, and if you have any questions, then you may just leave your question or your message at the comment section below. Thank you very much.